Good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's daily market update. I'm Chief Analyst Ryan Fox. Today's date is Thursday, July 23rd, just 5 minutes after 9 o'clock in the morning. We had some interesting results as of early this morning. If you didn't notice, overnight, Greek Parliament voted to pass a second package of financial stability for the Greeks. That's going to keep them in the euro, and it's going to also maintain some austerity measures that were part of that deal. If you want to learn more about that, you can find more articles on Bloomberg, as well as CNBC, Wall Street Journal, New York Times are all covering it. Highly recommend that you read a couple articles to find the details about that. But today we're going to go over quickly some morning announcements. Early at 8 o'clock, we had Spanish unemployment rate. That was 22.4%. Still pretty bad in terms of, compared to others, but much better compared to the previous month. Previous month was 23.8%. So we saw a little bit of a decrease there. That's good. At 9:30, which is coming up in a few minutes, we're going to see retail sales of the previous month for the UK forecasted at 0.4%. This is a little bit higher than its previous of 0.2%. If we take a quick look on the graphs, we can see that it's been up and down recently. The previous month, though, had higher than almost 1%. So that shows there's some positive there to the pound. We also have BBA mortgage approvals coming in around the same time. Later in the afternoon, we have core retail sales of the previous month for the Canadian dollar, as well as retail sales, forecasted at 0.7% and 0.4% respectively, with previouses of negative readings here. So we've seen some wide changes recently, especially in the core retail sales and retail sales. As well as we have unemployment claims forecasted 279,000 with the previous 281. Take a look at that quickly. We've seen unemployment claims have decreased significantly since 2014 and are continuing on a 3-week decline as well. 3 o'clock, we have European consumer confidence reports, followed by CB leading index of the previous month for the US dollar. And later on in the evening, we have trade balance for the Kiwi. Now, the Kiwi is interesting because they recently changed the interest rate to help weaken the New Zealand currency. That's going to help imports as well as exports, and help drive some tourism as well. They're looking to make New Zealand the tourist destination on everyone's minds throughout the summer. Sounds like a smart plan. We also have, looking at the charts, we see euro dollar going up as of early this morning, 8 o'clock once markets opened, now at 1.0985. Gold spot hanging around 1103. We saw a huge decline if we take a look over the past few days. Wow, look at that steep curve. It went from as far as 1,200 an ounce to now all the way down to 103. That's very, very strong. We also see pound dollar heading upstairs at 1.565, dollar Canadian heading down 1.3, dollar yen also down 123.7978 falling. We also had crude positions for oil hanging around at 49.4. This is very close to a low we saw in January of 41. We also have euro pound heading up at 0.701. Dow Jones took a dip over the past couple days, but not much activity yet. We may see an increase once markets open in the U.S. starting at around 2 o'clock, I believe. We have to correct that time. Once we see that the markets will react to the Greek Parliament vote, we could see a potential boost in the Dow Jones. But we also saw very big drops in the NASDAQ as a result of 3 major stocks, Apple, Yahoo, and Microsoft, posted terrible quarterly earnings. So we're going to see perhaps some market adjustments there. And as finally, pound yen at 193 and holding. Thanks again for viewing this update. You can check out more updates on our YouTube channel by going to our daily market update playlist. You can also learn more about the market by attending webinars by yours truly, Ryan Fox, by talking with your broker or your account manager and finding out those specific times. We do specific webinars, introduction, technical analysis, and fundamental analysis, as well as advanced technical and fundamental analysis. Take care, folks. Have a great day, and good luck with the trades.